Everyday work can be hazardous. That's why it pays to be aware of potential risks and how to avoid them. Good working conditions are important for everyone's well-being. Keep floors clear of tools, open containers and hoses. Clean spillages immediately. Remember to put tools and other equipment away after use. Smoking or naked flames are not allowed near solvents. Don't douse flames with water. Know where the fire extinguishers are. Don't eat or drink while working, and wash your hands regularly. Always wear the correct personal protective equipment. Dust masks like this one are comfortable and are very effective at protecting your lungs. Eyes can be protected by glasses, goggles and clear visors. In each case, ensure they have wrap-around sides. Depending on the noise level around you, wear ear